a helicopter. Here's the procedure. It usually comes with the plastic, and I'm going to show you how to build it. We're going to start by opening the plastic and sorting the Legos according to size and color. We'll start by sorting the red long ones. These black straights are for the rotor. And some of the grays are actually for the back rotor. Now we're done with sorting the blocks. Now we're going to start building it. Here is the procedure. We start from 1 to 7. We're going to start from the bottom first. First, we're going to use this. Mom, I didn't see the procedure. And then 4 of the white long ones. This is too frustrating. You need 4 of the 8s. 5 4s, not 4 5s, okay? 2 white squares, which is all you got. Put this here with these 2 blocks over here behind with a small gap in the middle. And then inside, gray outside. And my mom just put the 2 gray in the wrong area.
Got it? Okay. Now,
here's what the bottom should look like. That's all we have to do. Should look like a triangle. Nick, I accidentally broke it.
ano?
There are spare ones, and this is this is the correct model. It looks so realistic. Bye, YouTube fans. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Be brave, stay well. See you on our next adventure.